Welcome back to my YouTube channel NDMS. Today our topic is divide rule of derivative, which is dy dx of u by v equal to v square v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. First of all, we write denominator square of denominator in denominator, or after that we write it numerator, derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Okay. See example 28. Find dy by dx if y equal to log x upon x. Summer 17. We are writing in our question y equal to log x upon x. Differentiate to x, we apply dy dx on both sides. We know that derivative of y is always dy by dx and dy dx of our question. So see here log x is in numerator or x is in denominator. So we apply divide rule is here. So we take the square of numerator is in numerator, means that there is x, that's why we take the square of x which is x square, or we write in numerator without square. मतलब numerator का numerator में square लिखेंगे, बाद में उसको ऊपर without square लिखेंगे. और again derivative of denominator, तो derivative of numerator which is log x minus, और जिसका हम लोग ने derivative किए means log x का derivative किए, तो we left it or take the derivative of denominator which is x, or we know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x and derivative of x is 1. So see this, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, which is 1 upon x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, or derivative of x is 1. X is cancelled in numerator, so this x or this x cancel, we got 1 minus log x. See example 31. Y equal to e raised to x plus 1 divided by e raised to x minus 1. Find dy by dx. Y equal to e raised to x plus 1 divided by e raised to x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So we know that derivative of y is dy by dx, or take the dy by dx of this term. Or we applied divide rule is here. Or what is our divide rule? Square of denominator is in denominator. So our denominator is e raised to x minus 1. So that's we take the its square is in denominator. और we write it in numerator but without square. मतलब उस डिनोमिनेटर को हम लोग न्यूमेटर में लिखेंगे लेकिन बगैर स्क्वायर के. और अगेन डिवाइड एक्स ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, तो यार डिनोमिनेटर इज ई रेज टू एक्स माइनस 1 और न्यूमेटर इज ई रेज टू एक्स प्लस 1. तो अगेन वी टेक द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ न्यूमेटर ई रेज टू एक्स प्लस 1 माइनस वी लेफ्ट इट और टेक द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ denominator which is e raised to x minus 1. और we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of 1 is 0 because 1 is constant. Again see here derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x or derivative of 1 is 0. और we know that e raised to x plus 1 is e raised to x, or e raised to x minus 1 is e raised to x. और take this e raised to x and e raised to x common from both term. E raised to x is common from numerator, or we got e raised to x minus 1 from first term minus e raised to x plus 1 from second term. After taking minus inside the bracket, this e raised to x become negative or plus 1 become negative, or after that e raised to plus e raised to x minus e raised to x got cancelled, or we remaining minus 1 which is minus 2. See here e raised to x and minus e raised to x cancelled. Minus 1 become minus 2, or we write minus 2 in front, we got our answer. See next example, which is find dy by dx if y equal to 5 e raised to x divided by 3 e raised to x plus 1 at x equal to 0. Okay, take the derivative of y which is dy by dx, or take the derivative of quotient over quotient dy by dx of 5 e raised to x divided by 3 e raised to x plus 1. We applied divide rule here. Or what is our divide rule? Divide rule is that we take this is our denominator, this is our numerator, or we write square of denominator is in denominator, or after that we write it in numerator but without a square. So we write as it is in numerator but without a square, or we take the derivative of denominator minus we left it or derivative of this left function means which is denominator dy dx of 3 e raised to x minus 1. This is our divide rule. Phi is constant, that's why it's automatically derivative. Or we already know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. There is e raised to x. 3 is constant, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. 3 is outside derivative, or derivative of 1 is 0 because 1 is constant. After multiplication in bracket, 5 into 3 is 15. E raised to x is e raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x. See once again, 5 into 3 is 15. Here is 15. E raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x. Or 5 e raised to x into 1 is 5 e raised to x. Minus is there, so we write here minus. 5 into 3 again 15. E raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x. This plus 15 minus 15 got cancelled. We got 5 e raised to x divided by 3 e raised to x plus 1 whole square. But one thing is remaining, its value at x equal to 0. So we take its value at x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, this is dy by dx. This is dy by dx. So at x equal to 0, dy by dx will be equals to 5 e raised to 0. We put x equal to, we put 0 at x equal to 0. We put 0 in place of x. Divided by 3 e raised to 0 plus 1 whole square. This will be equals to e raised to 0. The value of e raised to 0 is 1. So this is become 5 divided by, again this e raised to 0 is 1. So 3 plus 1 raised square. This will be equals to 3 plus 1 is 4, or 4 square is 16. For example, example 29. Y equal to root x plus 1 divided by root x minus 1, find dy by dx. Here y equal to, we write is in solution, root x plus 1 divided by root x minus 1. Take the differentiation on both sides. We know that always derivative wise dy by dx, or dy by dx of root x plus 1 divided by root x minus 1. We use here divide rule, which is, we write square of denominator is in denominator. Root x minus 1 is our denominator, or root x plus 1 is our numerator. Or after that we write this denominator in numerator but without square. After that we take the derivative of numerator. Numerator is root x plus 1 minus, we left numerator, or take the derivative of denominator. See here, derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So that's why we write derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, or 1 is a number, derivative of number is always 0. Here is also derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, or derivative of this one is 0. Or we know that 1 upon 2 root x plus 1 upon 2 root x plus 1 0 is 1 upon 2 root x plus 1, or this 1 upon 2 root x minus 1 0 is 1 upon 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root x. Or we take here 1 upon 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root x is common in numerator. 1 upon 2 root x is common, or we got root x minus 1 from first term, minus is in center here, or root x plus 1 from second term. After 1 upon 2 root x we got in numerator, in denominator 1 upon 2 root x, or insert this minus, insert the bracket, root x become minus root x, or this also plus 1 become also minus 1, or this plus root x minus root x got cancelled, or minus 1 become minus 2, or again these two will cancel, we got our steps.